Good afternoon, everyone. This is Filipina Dessert Garden. Today I have my son's kids. They want to take a tour in my garden. So let's get started. And one of them don't want to be in the camera. Hey, Gio. Where should we start? Okay, so anybody know what kind of tree this is?
Is this a pecan tree?
Yeah, yay.
Cool.
That's
I
a
gave you guys the
pecan
first
tree.
one for free.
Pretty sure we're not gonna answer.
Okay, so over here I have my Asian green beans. This is called a yard long green beans.
That's cool.
You can
you
saute
go, Pep.
them. You can saute them with garlic, tomatoes, or put
She
meat
loves
in
green
them.
beans.
Yeah,
That's for you.
is it on? And this one right here, this is a pineapple guavas.
What? What's a pineapple guava?
Well, when they fruit, they look like a pineapple shape,
Uh-huh.
like oblong kind of, and it has a pink flesh inside.
Cool.
And this one right here is my Asian eggplant.
Oh, that's the narrow ones that we got the one time.
Yeah,
That's why they were the thin ones, Gio. These are Asian eggplants.
these are the Asian eggplant.
You got nothing better to do.
And then this one right here is the Arizona ash tree.
Arizona ash tree.
Uh-huh.
Cool.
The Arizona ash tree.
Arizona ash tree.
Uh-huh.
Cool.
And this one right here is the taro.
Taro leaves. Oh, those are cool.
This is like
Comes up
a
purple, right?
this one I think is white.
Oh, cool.
The variety of it is the white one. So it's like a potato when you cook them.
Oh, cool.
It doesn't really look that way. It's just that when you keep harvesting the leaves, it keeps growing taller and taller
Oh, really?
until it becomes like a palm tree.
Oh, cool.
This one right here is a moringa. Do you know what moringa?
Moringa, yeah. It's a. You can dry it and powder it, right?
Yes. This is a super power food, vegetable. Anyways, here's my okra.
I'm gonna break.
Oh, just make sure you don't step on the
You're
vine.
stepping on the vine. You're stepping on the vine.
And right here is my pineapple.
Is this leftover corn?
Yes.
Cool.
I buy the.
Oh, there's your pineapple. Cool.
I eat the
Don't walk
pineapple
on the
and
vine.